Living organisms reproduce by two ways: asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction involves the production of an offspring from a single parent without the fusion of gametes. Asexual reproduction mostly occur in unicellular organisms like bacteria, protozoa, etc. Some plants like algae, fungi, bryophyta, etc., and certain multicellular organisms like sponges and hydra. In this method of the reproduction, the young one receives all his genes from one parent. And here are some basic features of asexual reproduction. Only one organism is involved, that is, different sexes are not involved in this type of reproduction. All the cells division during this type of reproduction are either mitotic or amitotic. New individuals produced are genetically identical to the parents, and it is rapid mode of multiplication. And the final, that it is no gametes are formed, hence no fertilization takes place. So here that what are the different types of asexual reproduction? There are many types of asexual reproduction such as fission, fragmentation, regeneration, budding, vegetative reproduction, and spore formation. Fission. Fission may be defined as the splitting of a unicellular organism into two or more than two separate daughter cells. In other words, we say that it is the type of asexual reproduction in which the parent cells split into two or more daughter cells, and this division can take place in any plane. This type of reproduction is common in unicellular organisms like amoeba, paramecium, and euglena. Fission is of two types: binary fission and multiple fission. What about that binary fission? This is the division of parent cell into two small nearly equal size identical cells. The two daughter cells then grown into adult organism, and this type of reproduction, the nucleus first divides into two nuclei that we call as karyokinesis, which is followed by the division of cytoplasm that we call as cytokinesis. The cell firstly split into two daughter cells. The two daughter cells grow fully and divide again. And this method of reproduction occurs in favorable condition of life. The daughter cells formed are morphologically and genetically identical. Binary fission can be seen in bacteria, amoeba, yeast, and euglena. Next is that multiple fission. The another type of fission in which many individuals are formed from a single parent is called multiple fission. This method of reproduction occurs in unfavorable condition. The unicellular organism develop a protective covering called cyst over the cell, and the nucleus of the cell divides repeatedly, producing many nuclei. Later on, each nucleus is surrounded by a small amount of cytoplasm, and many daughter cells are produced within this cyst. When the conditions are favorable, the cyst breaks and the small offsprings are liberated. This type of reproduction is seen in some of the protozoans such as malarial parasite that we call Plasmodium, and then amoeba and monocysts. Second type is fragmentation. It is the type of asexual reproduction in which the parent cell simply breaks up into smaller pieces upon maturation. Some multicellular organisms having a simple body organization reproduce by breaking of their bodies into small pieces, and each of these pieces is called fragments. And these fragments grow into new individual, and the mode of reproduction that is called fragmentation. For example, the green filamentous algae Spirogyra may break into small fragment, that is pieces, and each fragments may grow into a new plant. The fragmentation is the method of reproduction in many filamentous algae, mycelial fungi, and thalloid bryophytes. Regeneration. It is a type of asexual reproduction in which the parent cell cut or break up into several pieces, and each piece will develop into a new individual. Many fully differentiated organisms have the ability to give rise to a new individual organism from their body parts. For example, simple animals like Hydra and Planaria can be cut into any number of pieces, and each piece grow into a complete organism. This is known as regeneration, and it is carried out by a specialized cell. These cells proliferate and make large number of cells. From this mass of the cell, different cell undergoes changes to become a various cell types and tissue. These changes takes place an organized sequence referred to as the development. However, regeneration is not the same as the reproduction, since most organisms would not normally depend on being cut up to be able to reproduce. Budding. Budding may be defined as the production of new individuals from an outgrowth of parent individual. Budding occurs in yeast, some protozoan, and certain lower animals like Hydra. In multicellular organisms such as Hydra, a small protuberance arises from one side of that body, and the protuberance grows and develops adult-like structure. In Hydra, it develops a hypostome and tentacles at its free end. It develops a basal disc at the point of attachment with the parent organism and finally gets detached to lead an independent life. Budding is also most common method of asexual reproduction in yeast. During this process, a small bud-like outgrowth appears at one end of the parent cell, which gradually enlarges in size. The nucleus enlarges and divides into two daughter nuclei. One daughter nucleus goes into that bud and the other remain in with that parent cell. Gradually, the bud becomes almost of the same size as the parent cell, and the constriction appears at that the base of a bud, a separating wall is laid down and it gets detached. Sometimes a number of buds also formed from their newly formed cell before its detachment from that parent cell, resulting into a chain of cells.